Hey everyone, my name's Carl Keeley and I'm one of the co-founders and owners of Shumba Concept Salon here in Melbourne. I also coach and mentor some of Australia's leading salons. Throughout this COVID situation, I've had lots of phone calls. The whole thing's been crazy, we all know that. So we'd like to get back into getting our businesses on track and just getting our business brains engaged again. 4 quick tips. Tip number 1, it works. So this is the large basin size of Khairpep. This is a staple of all of our chemical work. We do extreme chemical work here, but we're super gentle in here and we won't break here. We've tested every plex on the market. We don't like them particularly. We don't believe in breaking and then re-gluing. We believe in making sure that the bonds are secure. Conditions everything for us because our clients will change all the time. Number 1, it works. It works on our curly girls, it works on our full head bleach girls, it works on our pastel girls, unicorn girls, our color corrections, everything. It works every single time. There's nothing better on the market. That's the number 1 tip for us. Choose the best in the market. Tip number 2, it's 4 minutes. 4 minutes. If we use the Plex, it's 30 minutes in a chair, and with social distancing, we just can't do 30 minutes in a chair. We're down to half-hour chairs. I reckon I've got 7, 8 usable chairs in the salon. I can't have someone sitting there for 30 minutes with a Plex on. 4 minutes, that's a walk from the basin to the chair, gather my styling tools, and it's about done. There's no rinse out, there's no stage 2, there's nothing else. It's just done. That's what we need with social distancing COVID. Tip number 3, profit. This is 150 ml of Khairpep. This is the basin size. We do 2 ml treatments or 4 ml treatments, typically 2 ml treatments. They'll cost us $1.50, so there's 75 of those in there, but we charge $22 per treatment. We don't overcharge. We want it to be a no-brainer for the client to say yes. We do about 150 clients here a week in this salon, similar number in my other salon. 150 times the $20 sale is $3,000. 2 of these will equal $3,000 in sales for us. You can price it any which way you want. You can be high, you can be lower. The key thing is there's margin, it's affordable for clients. Clients are watching their pocket. It's harder to sell a $50 or $60 treatment right now, but $22, and it has an instant effect that they can feel and they can appreciate. That's what we need to do. Profit. Profit is king if you want to keep your team and your salon alive post-COVID. Number 4 is the take-home size. This is the 50 ml size. It comes in masks. Clients know immediately after the basin that this stuff works for them. They always buy this. And there's 50 mils in this one, so there's 25 treatments. That's more than enough because they're only going to use it maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks. Some people once a month is all they need, so there's a lot in that for a client, but there's full margin for us, and that's the key thing for us as well. Like all the retail we sell, it has to be profitable as well, so we can share those retail commissions back to our teams, and then we can keep the salons going post-COVID. That's my 4 tips in 4 minutes. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit us up as well for some samples of Khairpep, and have a great time. See you soon.